Yeah, Rhea, their attorney says the family is just still so heartbroken, but they believe this lawsuit is necessary, not just for Jose's memory, but for future generations working in meatpacking plants.
Jose Andrade Garcia was a hardworking, good family man.
One whose family is now nearing 2 years without him. KCCI spoke to his daughter Maria in May of 2020, with her voicing her displeasure with JBS.
I was mad. I had a lot of anger towards them.
Now that anger, along with other emotions, leading them to file a wrongful death lawsuit against JBS. The family says the company disregarded their employees' safety during COVID, which they say led to Jose's death.
They shouldn't have been penalizing workers for staying home if they were sick, and they shouldn't have been trying to encourage workers to come to work sick.
The lawsuit claims the company held a steak lunch, cramming workers into the plant's cafeteria. Court documents note this Facebook post by the company on March 25th, 2020, showing the luncheon. That date, 8 days after Governor Reynolds issued the public health disaster emergency proclamation.
They should have just taken common sense, fundamental measures that other companies were taking and that the governor was suggesting to keep their workers safe.
LULAC, Iowa Representative Joe Henry still has text messages from concerned employees. He also still has the complaints LULAC filed with Iowa OSHA against JBS.
That we were getting text in mid-March, people shoulder to shoulder. There were no masks provided at that time.
Henry says they continued to push until a full report came out that May.
I'm just so proud of the work that LULAC did to put together evidence.
The family's attorneys say that's what helped get the ball rolling, and now they hope to use evidence from that end and from other people to fight in Jose's memory. The family's attorney tells me there's no trial date yet. What comes before then is an extensive discovery process where they'll look for every document, picture, video, and any amount of evidence they can find to further their case. Rhea?
Thanks so much, Kayla. Well, JBS isn't the only Iowa meatpacking company facing wrongful death allegations for its COVID-19 response. Tyson faces 2 separate suits from the families of 4 Waterloo employees who died from the virus in 2020. And the company has filed a motion to dismiss both cases, but the court has not ruled on those motions. And right now, both cases are set to go to trial in 2024.